The Lok Sabha adjourned until 2 p.m. following opposition parties' protests over the Manipur violence issue. Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi opened to that oppositions are divided on the no confidence motions as there is no consensus among them. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has said that the government will consider the productions-linked incentive for the chemicals and petrochemical sector to make India a manufacturing hub. Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas Hardeep Singh Puri has informed that there is no shortage of coal in the country. In badminton, H.S. Pranoy outsmarted his compatriot as Kidambi in Japan Open 2023 by 19-21, 21-9, 21-9.